Today, this little guy gets a big present. His own luxury mansion. Will he appreciate it though? Let's find out. Today I'm gonna show you how I built a luxury hamster mansion. Cause this is
something you can do in your pathetic life. This is something you'll probably forget after the video is over.
Hey guys, it's your boy Reito. Today I got something.
Today is not about you, it's about me.
Okay, Harold, today is about you. This is Harold, my hamster. He lives in a cage which he absolutely hates.
Get me out of here!
So I needed something new, but all the cages I checked online and at the pet store were way too ugly.
Bruh.
And one day, as we were watching Architectural Digest, it suddenly became clear to me. I will never be rich enough to afford such a mansion, but I might be able to afford a small one. A really small one.
Bro, there's fire! I want to have a house like this.
Harold, you're gonna have a house just like this. So I decided to do it myself and build his dream home from scratch. I jumped right into it. First thing in the morning, I went to Bauhaus and bought everything I needed. This might have been just another good excuse to go to Bauhaus.
I guess we'll never know.
I started with cutting a lot of cardboard. I printed out foil with floor or wall texture and made an absolute mess in my studio. I started making designer furniture, designed a tiny kitchen with popsicle sticks, I put up walls, I even made him tiny slippers, and of course custom wall lettering. Like I said, this project was a complete mess. It took way longer than I expected. But finally, it was done. This is the Hamster Mansion. A 3-story building with 8 rooms, a balcony and a rooftop. In the ground floor we have an open space with kitchen and living room. Going up the stairs we're entering his dressing room. A place for all his tiny hamster clothes and his accessories. Right next to his dressing room is his bedroom, with a bathroom in the back. The marble bathtub is only produced twice worldwide. Drake owns one of them, the other one is Harald's. Harold likes to stay in shape, so I built him a gym. You know what they say, no pain, no gain. Entering the 3rd floor, we're in his snack bar. Fresh sandwiches, donuts, Ben & Jerry's, Snickers, Coke, you name it. Packed with a lot of snacks, we're entering the cinema room, with a working screen where he can watch Herr Fuchs content whenever he wants. Harold has his own home studio, cause he's a musician. Actually, a triple platinum record-winning musician. You can listen to his song if you click in the top right corner. Last but not least, it's his rooftop, with a green room and a barbecue area. And here comes the big moment.
Oh, this looks nice. Is this all for me? I love plants. What's over here? I'm gonna sit in this chair the whole day.
I think he likes it.
What a great view.
Thank God it was all worth it. So that's a wrap. Finally, he has a cool place to stay. On to the next one. I have a lot of great ideas and hope you guys are with me. And by the way, Harold has his own little channel. So if you're into cute little hamster stuff, click on the link in the description. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Stay hydrated. And see you soon when you again learn
Absolutely nothing useful for your life.
Peace.
Big dog status, I'm a big dog vet. I pull up on the block in a big Corvette. Ride around the city with a stick all black. Try with a stroke, we win.